Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the Black Foz back into the garage to hopefully fix some issues. Now, I won't be able to fix the ABS sensor in this episode, but that'll be next. Yeah, so when I took the lower ball joint out, I dropped the whole knuckle and the ABS sensor was still in it and it stretched the wires, so obviously it's probably broken in there. So I need to go to the wreckers on Saturday and go pick one up. But we've got a bit of cleaning up to do. I'm going to fix up the sway bar, so I didn't put the M links on properly, and might look at doing the short shifter, or at least the bushings. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, got a bit of cleaning up to do. Got a couple of bags there, I'll fill up there, got some boxes. So when the Black Foz comes in, I'll load that up. Hopefully I can fix a few things that happened and we can drive it tomorrow, because I'm not taking the boys. So we can offload a bit of the rubbish and the 3 cranks that you see back here. Get rid of that, get rid of the AC condenser from the Skyline that I blew a hole in. Yeah, clean it up because I want to do a full detail on the Black Foz in the following couple of weeks. I want to make up a couple of light stands on caster wheels so I can move them around the car, and I'll probably put up some more lights in here as well. Just helps with filming and seeing scratches and whatnot. So let's get to cleaning up. I know cleaning up is boring, so we'll just do a time lapse. Alright, it's about 2 hours later because I put the little one to bed. He's 2 years old, so he's a bit of a troublemaker at the moment. Yeah, back out here, started to fill up some bags with the rubbish. Once I clean it up a bit, I'll bring the Black Foz in. As you can tell, it's raining now, but yeah, it's going to be a little wet in here. Keep cleaning up. Alright guys, I've got 3 bags over there to go. I think I might just take this whole tub. It's got a broken handle and just chuck it and get one of the 60 litre plastic bins from Bunnings or something like that. And then I can just take the bin to work or dump it in our bin, whatever. Yeah, we've got something from centre bit out of the GT for the spare wheel. Lots of take, and this box of goodies. Anyway, I'll bring the Foz in now. It's sneezing a lot from moving all the dust around. Alright, just got her in. As you can tell, it's been raining. I found something bad. Yeah. Oh, shit. I've got the sunroof open, but I don't think it's the sunroof. I think it might be the rails. I think it might be the rails. Pretty sure you got to get the roof lining off to get to the rails. It's going to be fun. Alright guys, I have a theory. There's nothing wrong with the roof at all. I have the new suspension in the back, which seems to have dropped a little bit. So there's actually a 30mm difference between front and back, and it's very noticeable. Like, you can see that it's a lot lower. I'm thinking the water just gets in and it's run that way when the drains are at the front. What do you guys think? Is that plausible? Are there drains at the back? I don't think there is. So maybe at the moment I just don't let it sit out in the rain. We'll park it downhill. Alright, that's my theory anyway. Just looking up here, it's actually dry. And then it gets to here, it's wet. So it hasn't gotten like all the way to the front. Oh, that's my theory. Because if those drain holes were blocked, you'd definitely be getting water at the front section, wouldn't you? I think it's just that the arse is dragging. Oh dear, it doesn't want to close. It's working fine until today. Maybe some of the water got into the electronics back there. Alright, so had to help it close a bit. Yeah, it sucks. No, well, at least Emerson only likes looking out. I bet he doesn't like it open. Ugh. Alright guys, so just looking under here at suspension stuff, and I need to do a little bit more work, but you can tell it's wet, so we'll do that tomorrow. I might have a look at the shifter. I've already pulled the surround off, gear knob and whatnot. So I need to get this off and then we'll have a look. Alright guys, so I've got the I don't even know what you call that. Okay, the sound deadening out, the exposed 4 bolts, hold this section in. So we've got 2 more to go. The shifter is disconnected, the bushing is in the new Kartboy one. Yeah, let's get these 2 off and this should drop down and go under the car and put the rear mount on, and we should be able to get these bushings in too. Alright guys, we've got a massive hole in there now. Put the whole assembly out. It's over on the bench. The guy's about to run out of battery, but we're replacing these, replacing this, and we are replacing that. Alright guys, there is the original one. Pretty easy to get out. I just pushed it on the lip up here and then push it down and it went through after a few goes. Put these ones in, 5 speed. Alright guys, it's getting late. It's 10 to 1 in the morning and I've stripped a thread for the remount on the shifter. So tomorrow we'll come back and we'll rethread it. Might have to take it all out and put the remount in first, and put it all in. It doesn't seem to line up. So probably without the linkage into it, they'll have a bit more flexibility to actually get mounted. Alright guys, I'm not going to be able to finish off installing the short shifter because we need to tap out the thread in the car underneath. So I've got to pull everything back out. I'm not going to be able to do that tonight. My sister's coming over for dinner and then, you know, family. So we'll tackle that over the weekend, so that'll all be in next episode. We'll also head to the Wreckers tomorrow to get an ABS sensor, so hopefully that's all done. So fingers crossed, this will be back on the road Monday, because I just got a notice from Vic Roads saying I need to hurry up and get my roadworthy done. So I need to get that done. So guys, if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next episode when we finish off the short shifter install. Thanks for watching. Bye.